Hey, what's up, great people? This is Boxing Day, and this is a �W𝐴 right here, your favorite creator, content creator. Would I say a lifesaver? That one, I'm joking. I'm joking. All right, so you're welcome to my channel. We upload videos on cryptocurrency, forex, whatever that is financial, whatever that will help you save you money, make you money, keep you on top of your game. All right, that's what I upload video on. So you should consider
subscribing to my channel,
as you don't want to miss out on any one of these. As some of the information I share here is time conscious, all right? Some of them need immediate action. Right now, in this video, I'm going to make sure that I mention to you some of my top pick for 2022 that you. So, before the end of this video, I'm going to mention my top pick skill set that you must pick or have your hands on in the year 2022. All right. We all know that cryptocurrency is really a wide world, and a lot of people are actually benefiting from it. And what most person does right now is buy and hold, but we ignore most of the other things that are actually making a whole lot of people millionaires and a lot of thousands of dollars. So those things are what I'm going to mention to you. So subscribe right now. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's talk. Why most of these things are not necessarily crypto? Because like I said from the beginning of the video, they are skill set, but majority of these skill sets are crypto. Reason being that crypto is evolving, and there's a lot of potential in it, and that doesn't render the rest useless, and that doesn't render the rest obsolete. It's just that some of these skill sets are really hot at the moment. All right, so they don't have obsolete usage already. All right, so now make good use of them. All right, made video on some of these things, and I've not made video on most of them, and that's why you should actually go through some of my videos and check them out, because a lot of them are actually very simple. All right, I've made detailed video on them. I have about over 300 videos I've uploaded. If you go through all my 300 videos, you should be able to know how to make money on your own online, because all these videos I categorize them into individual skill set, and I'm detailed in every one of them. All right, and I'm still making more. The ones that I've not made video on, I'm going to make more. So you should consider subscribing and staying true to this channel. All right, let's move. This seems to be the general thing that everyone knows and everyone is actually doing, but it is actually a honeycomb if you know exactly what you are doing. All right. It's not just about just waking up and buying any cryptocurrency you see out there or you like. There are a lot of things that need to be put into consideration while buying a cryptocurrency. But buying a cryptocurrency is a skill set on its own. All right. Identify a good cryptocurrency at its early birth, and then knowing when to buy, knowing when to take profit is very important. All right, I've already made video on how to buy cryptocurrency, but these are some few notable tips that you must look at before buying a cryptocurrency. You have to know the project itself, the plans behind it, and then the market cap of the coin, the type of coin, whether it's a token or it's a coin. There are differences between a token and a coin. I've explained that in another video, or I'll say explain in another video. Then the market cap also matters. The total supply matters. Now, let's take a very good example right here. Now, a novice, let's say we have coin A that is $100 with about $800,000 market cap, and coin B that is $0.001 with about 2 billion market cap. Now, a novice will look at coin A and say, no, now that coin has gone far. Let me buy coin B that still has a very large chance of getting to $1. All right. So you now go to coin B and buy coin. A novice will go to coin B and buy coin B because they think that coin B still have more chances to to grow all the way to $1. Meanwhile, in the real sense, the coin that have more chances of doubling their money or grow, the coin that will give them a decent income is coin A, that will give them a decent profit. Rather, all of them will give them decent income. Is coin A, because it will be much easy for coin A to double in market cap, thereby doubling the amount invested. That is, it will be much easier for $800,000 to double compared to 800 billion, compared to 200 billion or 2 billion, or sorry, 2 billion doubling. All right. So most persons doesn't know this. They don't look at this. They don't understand this, and that's why I always advise you guys to stay tuned to my channel. All right. So these are just the simple terminology that one needs to buy coins. So I've actually mentioned this in another of my videos, so you should check that out. So another thing that you should look out for, NFT means non-fungible tokens, and this is a way of you transforming, especially those that are artists that knows how to draw or create digital art or create amazing pictures that have not been seen anywhere in the internet. All right. So this is an amazing way to actually monetize your talent. Even musicians, you can monetize your talent by creating an NFT. Creating an NFT is not difficult, all right, as it is just a click on and drop process. You don't need to know any line of coding, although there are coding side of it, but there are also side of it that you don't need to know how to code. All right, it's just create your ad and then upload it through OpenSea on your MetaMask wallet, or there are different ways that this is actually done. All right, although I've not made video on how to actually make an NFT, but I intend making video or uploading a video anytime soon. That's why you should consider subscribing. All right, so you should know how to create and upload an NFT and place it in marketplace for a buy and sell. All right, and you should also know how to actually flip an NFT. All right, there are those that are out there that are actually buying NFT and then reselling it. All right, at a very higher price, or yeah, so something like that. So it's a great deal, and they are making some decent amount of money out of this. All right, so in 2022, this is something that you should also look out for. The demand for cryptocurrency is so much that exchanges are not even enough. That's why when there are losses here and there, they can't, if there are some issues, major issues or minor issues that they cannot even attend to, because they have a lot of demands. All right, there is a lot of demands. So anybody you are there, you could create a local crypto exchange where people in your locality can access and buy and sell cryptocurrency, which is just a click and drop process. All right, so you can create a simple one, you can create a very bulky one. All right, so there are differences. All right, create one and then you start to make a good living, a decent income out of that. Actually, most of you out here that actually know some of these crypto terms, some of these crypto stuffs, even more than myself, and you actually don't even have much money. All right, being a crypto content creator is you educating others on what you already know, and then learning the process the more, and then educating others, because there are some persons that are good at learning things on their own and then are able to teach others. So if you fall within these categories, then you can actually make some decent money off ads, of sponsorship, by educating others, or of tutorial, of courses, by educating others. This is a decent way to actually make a decent money, just because of actually what you already have in your head, or what you know, or what you can do. So it's a career path that anybody can think of. All right, and I oblige you to think towards it in the year 2022. All right, I say for sure that in the banking industry we have financial consultants, people you can consult whenever you want to make an investment, you want to buy a land, you want to take a loan, or you want to do anything financial. there are those you conduct, so you contact. All right, that applies to real estate. We have real estate consultants. You want to buy a house, you want to flip a house, you want to do. There are consultants in that area. Then we have different consultants. But have you ever actually heard of crypto consultants? I've not heard of it. So is this a fresh idea I'm sharing with you guys here? You can actually make money being a crypto consultant. You could be the first crypto consultant within your area. People want to buy coin, they want recommendation, they want this, they want to make coin, they want to make it. Being a consultant doesn't mean you don't necessarily need to know every single thing about the whole process. You just need to know people that know things about that process. You just need to know how to connect things, how to connect people that knows to people that don't know, people that already have the skill set, to people that don't, that people that to people that want services in that skill set. All right. So that's what being a crypto consultant is like. So you could be the first crypto consultant in your locality. It's a great tip. Thank me later. Now, I made mention of how easy it is to create a token, all right, and a lot of person did not give that a good thought. But actually, creating a coin and a token are two different things. Creating a token is like renting a house on a property that is owned by someone already. All right. So creating a token is the token is sitting on a blockchain. So it's very easy to actually create a token nowadays. With it's just a click and drop process. Within 5 minutes, you're done. All right, and then your token will be functional. It can transact. It's not a digital currency, and then uh, you use it for a great project. All right, you have a community project within your area, you could create a token, or meet the person in charge to sponsor the creation, and then create a token, and then you use it to spur whatever project, community project. There are Red Cross projects. All right, there are, okay, all these humanitarian projects kind of. All right, create a token, use it to spur that. All right, that's a skill set. All right, you don't need to know how to code to do that particular one. All right, then if you want to further your career, you can actually learn how to create a proper coin. All right, so think about that. What do you think? Doesn't it make sense? Most of y'all are out here buying a lot of scam token where someone create and then pull off. All right, do not create scam token. All right. Hey, all my freelancers here gather here. All right. So there are a lot of us that are actually freelancers on Fiverr, all right, and some other websites, all right. So you can actually make money in crypto in 2022 by being a crypto freelancer. All the things that you know in crypto, you can deliver to other persons as a service on online on Fiverr. You could actually be a Twitter handler, or a Telegram handler, Telegram admin, to a Twitter, to a crypto channel. All right, you can actually be a content creator, like you can like a content creator for a Twitter, to a crypto industry. All right, so you could be making good money, decent income, being a crypto freelancer on any of those popular freelancing website. Try it out and you see how much you'll be getting. All right. Other skills, other valuable and variable skills on how to make money in crypto. These are just a few that I've actually mentioned to you guys. Without making this video long enough, other skills will come in the next video that will be coming. That will be a part 2 of this video. Already, I've not mentioned other skills that are out of crypto. I've not even exhausted the crypto itself. All right. So be sure that you always stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel, enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload that particular video, you get to see it. All right. If you like what I do, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. I love you.